Hi students, let us see the one problem based on the heat and trial method asked by my student. What is the, if we talk about heat and trial method. So with this method we are going to balance the equation. A question is given and what this is question is Mg3N2 plus it is the H2O molecule. It is giving the magnesium hydroxide, that is MgOH twice, and plus ammonia is being released. Okay, now how to balance, student? Step number 1, what to write, that is write element in tabular form. They are saying elements in tabular form, so we are going to write the elements in tabular form, friends. So you see, if you are can observe this one, so here is the elements is there, student, and here if you are writing, that is LHS, and this side we are going to write RHS, right? Now LHS means left hand side, dear student. RHS means right hand side. What do you mean by left hand side? That is left hand side means reactant. Okay, this is going to be reactant, and RHS means that is going to be what, student? That is going to be product. Now see, Mg, if I am writing Mg element, how many are there? 3 here, and this side 1. If you are talking about nitrogen, here is 2, this is 2, and this side how many are there? 1. If I am talking about the hydrogen, friend, so you can see this is the 2 are there, and this side how many are there? 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, this is going to be 5. Oxygen, you can see, student, here 1, this is 1, and this side how many are there, student? That is going to be 2. So these are the number of element. Now step number 2, student. Step 2, select the element. They are saying select the compound, select the compound containing element. They are saying compound containing elements of maximum time, elements of maximum time. अब dear student, you see which element contain the maximum time. So that is Mg3N2 is there. Mg3N2, this is contain maximum 3 Mg atom. Okay, so what we are going to do, student, we are going to balance the magnesium first, because magnesium comes maximum number of time, right? So let us try to balance. Okay, so if you are balancing, student, that is Mg, so LHS and RHS I am writing, student. So LHS, here we are going initial, so Mg is how many are there here? 3, and this side how many? 1. So how can you be able to balance, friend? To balance if you are going, friend, so here you see 3 multiplied by 1, and here is 1 multiplied by 3, so it will be balanced. So what we can do, we can write now the next equation. So equation will be what, student? Mg3N2, but it is going to be H2O. Here if you are talking about, it is MgOH twice, but how many times? 3, because this one number may multiply, plus what is there? NH3, right? So this is the magnesium atom is balanced. Now we are going to balance the another atom. What element we can balance? That is, let us balance the nitrogen, student, because here nitrogen is 2 and this side nitrogen is 1. So let us try to balance. So step number 3, student, step 3, balance nitrogen. Okay, balance N. So to balance N, what we write, student? How many initial, how many are there? And to balance, that is we need to write, that is to balance, and here we are writing, that is LHS, and this side we are writing, that is RHS. Getting? Now initially you see, dear student, what are there initially? How many nitrogen atoms are there initial? Okay, so initial, if you talk about this one, so how many are there in the resulting equation? Here is 2 is there, and this side only 1 is there, right? That you keep in mind. So this was the equation, no? Sorry. Mg3N2 plus H2O was there, and 3 MgOH twice plus NH3 is there. So nitrogen means initially, if you are going nitrogen, I am talking about initial. So initial, how many will be there, student? So LHS side initial, how many are there? 2. And if you are talking about RHS side, that is 1. So to balance, we need to multiply by this one, multiply by 2. So after multiplying, you please write down this equation. So what going to become, student? Okay, so that is Mg3N2 plus it is going to be H2O. Here is 3MgOH twice plus it is 2NH3. Getting this one is. Now let's try to, so magnesium is balanced and nitrogen is balanced. Remaining what are there, student? Hydrogen and oxygen. So we are going to balance oxygen. So if you are talking about balance better balance hydrogen, because it is coming more number of time. So hydrogen, so that is here initially how much is there, student? And to balance. Okay, so let us see, student. LHS side how many are there and RHS side how many are there, hydrogen. So here is only 2 are there, and this side you can see here is 3 to just 6 plus 3 to just 6. How many are there, student? 12 are there. So what we can do, dear friend, here is 2 multiply by 6, so it can also come 12. So let us try to write down, student, what is coming. So Mg3N2 is there plus 6H2O will come. Here will be 3MgOH twice, 3MgOH twice, plus what is coming, 2NH3 is coming. Now this is the balance equation, student. Oxygen is also balanced. Here you can say, you can check out the answer. Okay, better you check the answer. So we are writing that is Mg, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. This is the LHS we are going and RHS we are going. So magnesium how many are? 3, and this is 3. Nitrogen this side 2, this side 2. Oxygen how many are there, friend? 6. Here is 3 to just 6. Hydrogen how many are there, friend? 12, and this side also 12. So this is going to be balanced. So this is quite difficult, but you can try 2-3 times, you will be able to solve. Thank you, students.